Oh hey, welcome to another edition. Hand-laid tracks, 3D printed trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at another tank car. I saw this GBX Leasing Europe tank car in the Amsterdam West Haven freight train yard that I tend to pass by. I thought, man, that's a good looking car. Wish I had one. Not so big, little tiny one. So I made myself a GBX Leasing Europe tank car. It's 4-color print with the normal bottom couplers on it. And if you want, you can print it in one color, bottom snap on like that. I made it a little bit smaller in the bottom. This is an early version of it. You can see the bottom is a lot smaller in the final version of it. You can print it in one color, 4 colors, couplers go on the ends. Little micro trains, medium shank couplers, make sure they're loose. If you have a derailment, probably have a tight coupler. Bambu Studio, set up pretty easily with the different colors are separated, so you can basically set it up originally with white, and then you click on the middle to make it green, click on the bottom to make it black, and you click on the top and the railings, you can make them into your silver color, whatever you might choose. I like tank cars, and I like painting the cars I see in my local freight yard, and this was one of them. So, check it out on Colts, lease yourself a tank car, make a little money in the process. Thanks for watching. Check it out next time. This was Hanley Tracks and a tank car, another tank car, another tank car. 'Cause I like tank cars, I like a tank car, and I like a tank car that I also seen. Look at that one. I saw this one too. Ooh, ERR. That's a nice one. Nice.